It's a 2018 Ford Transit passenger wagon. Configurable and comfortable, this people mover pleases everyone who climbs aboard. It comes with great features you love: power mirrors, manual tilting steering column, auxiliary audio input, AM/FM stereo radio, capless fuel filler, manual telescoping steering column, twin-turbo V6 engine, and 3 12-volt power outlets. Auto Week observes it's bigger than it appears. It feels like an E-Series could nearly fit in the back. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to Eric von Schledorn Ford, Sheboygan County's largest Ford dealer. We're conveniently located at West 4873 County Road RR in Random Lake, Wisconsin.